Are you tired of watching your business processes resemble this chaotic contraption when they could be streamlined and efficient? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of workflow automation, pitting Workato against Kissflow to help you choose the champion for your organization. First up, Workato. Known for its robust integration platform, Workato excels at connecting various applications and automating complex, cross-departmental workflows. Think of it as the integration powerhouse. If your company relies on a multitude of systems, Workato's extensive connector library can be a game changer. Its recipe-based approach to automation provides flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for organizations with advanced integration requirements. The visual interface simplifies the process, but mastering its full potential may require some technical expertise. Now, let's turn our attention to Kissflow. This platform shines with its user-friendly interface and low-code capabilities, empowering citizen developers to build automated workflows with ease. Kissflow provides a streamlined approach with a focus on simplicity. With its intuitive drag-and-drop form builder and pre-built templates, you can quickly design and deploy workflows without needing extensive coding knowledge. While it may not boast the same level of integration depth as Workato, Kissflow excels at simplifying common business processes. Both platforms offer essential automation features like conditional logic and real-time notifications. However, your choice hinges on your specific needs. Do you prioritize extensive integration capabilities and complex automations, or ease of use and rapid deployment? Workato is your go-to if you have a complex IT landscape requiring seamless integration. Kissflow is your best bet when user-friendliness and rapid deployment are crucial. Weigh these factors carefully and choose the tool that best aligns with your business goals.